Obviously, for your sign, Ababi, more Kwaba, and Fabra, Adom TV, so Agoro Ne Fom. Now, you did a few couple, young Shadia, meet the press, who say, there, as he encourage and so Trofonia, Aquina, Ebisa, I mean, Football Association paying for no, and Yama is on Bisomo, or Yansha, the concept of meet the press, and then the targets, idea must seek say, Uncle Kodibra, realistic target. Issues no door so national team akatriani ade nyina ya ade a yeguso ayeka ho asem.
So I think it's a very good one.
Okay.
It's a very good initiative for an association which the previously was likened to a corrupt association, was previously not manful PA kase open very transparent and accountability very questionable. Say who share press na omo atoto announce where ye answers ano it is one of the good things that the aba.
Okay.
I'm hoping say a better now da. Then go do say bedu be on be fee say that time no omo ne ebia press no enya issue and media for nya issue no. Omo cut now. Oren say my kokoko so nyina na ade with the CKD am target enya new. For the past be 3 or 4 predecessors from Abano. It always has been like Ghana Blaster go and win the cup, nothing else.
Yeah.
Because senya na no dey ko ya akwesi antimi amfa ankodima. The least is the semi-finals. Twice in the finals, the last 5 to 6 AFCON. So Ghana AFCON is a but it's about how I'll be to achieve the targets out there, man. It's about how Juma or you first will pretty and never so do anaka AFCON. It's a strategic one. You need to put things in order. The national team need to be well rehearsed and well prepared for major tournaments. It's not really about money. Said because that number should be a national team, almost a national team. Management committee, management this that. But if you go to the other side of the world, maybe a national team, no general manager of the national team. That's all. Now with the Georgia Mwakum being the Blasters management committee chairman, they say Stone able answer that question. So one of the biggest issues I deal power on the side, our side of the world is perception.
Yeah.
When there will be teams say on pel and it is difficult to convince that person. Indeed, with George. I don't trust George Amakun. I don't trust him, and I've never trusted him because of the way we're operating in the Juma. Yeah, into me, I've always had issues with him. He's one of the football administrators or more who could sack a coach then or top players and some appoint a coach. It's not done in football. In such persons, or say, or for coach bina or some sort of perception that I want to home. No, man, a targeter. I don't trust that target. No, they won't be THV. And it do a point in that his own conform for it. I didn't trust him. So credibility is one of the key factors. It is such a man. I was shocked. See, he saw me down and again, he appointed CK. CK can achieve a year their target. Their money now. If say on if say or for the right players, because I don't want to believe say Ghana need Galaxy or Stars than it Zambia did it. No many players be here. It's about how first why collapse. Na enye go collapse. Ebe players or me well fit to meet your body national team. Players who are devoted to play for Ghana. Nye players or back camp up pitch or my own camps to distract company. Na a normal way you should be able to say it. Nye da second. I know CK as one of the courageous players and I want promote to be a coach. And the man management is very questionable. That's one of the issues. So it makes so person achieving it.
And that's how people perceive him. So or emotional, ultimately related well with the players. It's a perception. I don't
think it's a perception because today I was reading something about Atlanta, one of the greatest players in Ghana. He said emphatically he can work with CK. Why? He's a teammate of CK. Or now boss coaching if somebody very close is one day me peer na me kana bonze mo show me tini mo show na ntibi ma it speaks volume. This is somebody
but so not the source is personal.
Yeah, I understand that.
Not on professional grounds.
That is what I'm saying this because we are talking about management in terms of man management.
You know that they feel say or the personal
well
justify.
Yeah, there will be players who come out with that way of living life. You have to manage them. This time, these are people you need to manage them. And CK had issues with, I think, like Kingston or House of Folk, which was the issue. Next, CK within the level of boy, any clubs or boy, to understand lie, but a person of managing is quite be a person, and I'm working. Without the minister, I make a credible cat, you know, kind of. It's good, say, what me I clear the air we say. on manage coach bia player bia and once I chair say there's
okay what they talk kasa
what be
no kasa
or there's a big difference between advising somebody than managing that person. And I want to really know the consortium notes and what they really do. It is our players, maybe a players and a coach don't fall under another or ten. Then do they advise them kakana? I don't think they'll do that. It goes beyond that. And I'm hoping that he's going to go by his ways because he has been tagged with Friends of Chronics and I believe CK and appointment away are people who are very competent and can do the work. But these are some of the things they perceive. It's not a crime with their so that so mood performing about so many performing I say nanka baba betia and akofa unia. But he's trying to draw the lines very clear. Now I'm gonna phone say or no money bibia any ade.
Well, but that particular issue, no, me I don't know. But we all know Kete Kroku and Nejuma Wayo has it. Me for him to say today, say oh manage player be, I'm shocked.
I was equally shocked.
I'm shocked,
and I was not satisfied. I was
player.
not satisfied with the answer or the man.
Manage player, he doesn't manage.
Yes,
I think there was one Dreams FC captain, Baba Bechia captain. I think it was called Luna something.
What the same?
Luna, Bibi Luna.
Owusu.
Wasanema Ashdod. I think about. What can we do? There's one of it has been one of the issues away football. When players go out and sign contract, vivid on my phone, I'm reading not all signing. It was Kurt. Obaka said on the club and I see you at that time. We have Kurt and they become a CSM or no Nipana or sign player. When club owners always sign contract, or any team when any player sign contract, they are selfish interests. There is more than managing the player.
Okay, young na baba bisa question or we are now mama na address the issue. Quick one, AJ.
Alasan Ibrahim Babanji Daniel. Ne me be boa FA president yi pa because nante e ko ware ase e ko dame ase e ko ahwede abna sport ko no mavaro hot yetetensem pa. Me bisa president say e ampa say o oni consortium bi e manage coaches any players nkofo tete ko dame ase no na nkofo toto spa no man ko mo mudidi in bringing back the lab. It is also very important. I am part so manage bibisa I manage coaches any footballers na any dia one that's any dia sa consortium no na manage papa ya yi no ha kire se ono na obekita blasters ye nyina ye nta na china na sa etesa ma dwi mu nti entimi nye conflict of interest ebe ha bring back the love mantra na my question
is whether I manage Charles Akono. The answer is no. I don't manage Charles Akono. And I don't manage any coach in Ghana. I've had relationships with loads of people in the industry. I have known Charles Akono because he also worked at Dreams FC before, just like he's worked in Ashanti Gold, Kotoko, 11 Wise, etc., etc. So I don't manage Charles Akono, and I don't manage any coach in this country. When we won the elections, I announced my interest not to continue my position as executive chairman of Dreams Football Club. That alone was a big statement. That alone means that I wanted an opportunity to offer undiluted support to Mother Ghana. This is key. I don't manage any player. I don't manage players.
Right, and President, you know, and we out the bad. Baba, when I'll be a question, now we are satisfied with an answer of the man.
Go to be sincere because I'm satisfied and I'm a boy. Go proud to the 2019 GFA presidential elections. Nipa or this campaign or this strategy no joining the campaign first was Osei Palmer. Or started say during the Juma as a football administrator with Timmy Aboa or managing the players like Thomas Tepate to Atletico Madrid, Jonas or Sabute, Palmer players.
Oh, send
Joseph Penster,
Lever, Jeremiah Akofo.
Yes,
all of them.
And Abra Palmer, this Abeshe Munua Ubekaya, Henry Asante Chum, who speaks for Keto Kreku during the campaign, and Abdul Salam Yakubu Babeshia Okojo show so they began that comparison. Henry so say against George Free, who has not been able to produce a single player. The naked players your manager or more John Entry, the top scorer for the foreign players in Egypt. Keti players your manager or more Baba Rahman, who played up to Chelsea. Keti players Benjamin Tete nearly joined Brighton and Hope Avion in the Premier League. Anticos Abre na where was Kate. Or Jesus Abodi in a man who. Or Jesus any mo nyam shede man ho me ma dwimu e ka ho bie and the top football for bitirimo they even went ahead to vote for him as an FA president thinking that near why ye be pen on ye dini gina akono but then bia me expect say Kurt Becker said as the president of the FA, I am no more into player and coaches management. Because call me a meteha and nei. Minim say sika kono. It's being managed by Proton Sports Services. Me a meteha and nei. Minim say Coach Abdul Karim Zito is being managed by that consortium. Me a meteha and nei. Minim quite a number of coaches and players who are being managed by that consortium. With due respect to coaches, consortium no manager more, I'm not having any problem with them. Men can't say Abia as a coach be Proton managing Abia on incompetent. But the Proton is managing them. I know multiple of players. My own countryman Isaac Amwako, when during his playing days at Dreams FC, he was being managed by Kurt and his consortium. And then the explanation there, go say maka opa fa ompa koshepo. But I won't blame Kurt. Go be busy on the question, no. A backdoor meeting a course, consultations a course, Mr. Dr. Randiabe, Samuel Nimado, lawyer Prosper Harrison Ado, and then Kurt Okreku a four years a tripartite and a quadripartite meeting. Go would they form an answer to come and quash my question away. So go another formality. At Muaya and answer Kurt the buyer, he should provide an answer to the question. So he manufactured an answer for the question. Okay. But practically, I know that Kurt owns a consortium that manages players, and it is not a crime.
Yeah, it's not a crime. But one thing they say, we are in future, make me affect here because if and people have raised, I'm personally
affect here.
Yes. And you are on record to have question and criticize the old coach. And they say one fresh certain players.
Yes, manage you.
And so now that you have brought a coach, I want managing the pain. Granted says he's managing the biome, but the coach I want managing the pain.
Yes. I want to know what that established relationship.
And you now can end the course, you know. But there's nothing wrong with this.
Yes,
there's nothing wrong with
I'm not saying there is anything wrong, but I was happy five football titans have to come together to connotate an answer for my question. Because I was very proud.
Because they don't have to make a mistake.
I was very proud.
Kurt is running away from he knows clearly he's against football.
Yeah, it's against football. I'm saying that because today, and when it will affect even the players or managing in future.
Yeah. Because
me or Fred Benjamin Tete Blasters, I will read certain meanings into it.
Yes.
Because this is a player who wants someone criticizing the old coach. But that boy was given an opportunity in National U23 for 45 minutes. And it was the West national team call up a coach to bring Benjamin Tete into the national team. The first appointment of the Secretary General was the personal or disciplinary committee. So Abra Naya Sisa Daniel Gozedi Ayen Kudo Mensa Sa committee no etime uphold what will happen in the coming days. And that's the press meet the press Football Association here and some be a free more at the buy. The Ghana Premier League, sorry, so and Rakarela and Legon Cities a boy na winning by 3-0. And I feel entirely so a shaking first by 4-2. Nyamia Adoma and there Bakobe Tribia Sharks and 11 Wonders, and then the rest including the Dreams FC versus Hasselhoek, and then Asante Kotoko versus Liberty Professionals. Yeba. I'm sure for your sign Ababio Mamu Akwaba Agoro Ne Fom Adom TV. So Emrason see Baba di nkomo afa Ghana Premier League no. Na Ghana Premier League no yabo matches mako ensia team bia bo ensia and now make us say, you know, Osha, na just say match day 7, and yako remuno, and ra, medical catcher say me no etubia. Last Sunday, now you bought Ghana's version of the Classical. It was a very interesting game. Kodoko Edin Kuniwa House for so a car, a MBNO, Emamuti, mu Ebako, na you Kodoko for Echo back against Liberty Professionals. Master Banson, Kodoko Liberty Professionals, Dreams FC, Hartford Echo, and then as good, Eddie Buswan Drafts and Airball, Bechem United, and Chelsea. Chelsea for noon say, one way very impressive so far this season, concern. Great Olympics and a Wafa. And then your Adriana Stars versus Mediama. Minimal pick idea, but probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Liberty, and Adia.
Yeah, the most tricky game of the weekend. Very tricky. And Liberty, I was a away game still Mabono, Omulusubia.
Yeah.
I think Kotoko, a ride on the 2-1 win Omunya Etia House of Folk. But we that game, Nifima, Kotoko has not won against any top team here. They're also struggling. Because in the field, I know share against 11 Wonders, then Dwarfs by 2 goals and a goal. It tells you, say, Kotoko are not careful, especially when you're playing this game, closed doors are it will be very difficult for them. Liberty mean Giomu Nipi, where they really struggle at Babayara. Yet to win the game, I think in their last 4 or 5 games, in these games, it makes it very tricky. I don't think say Kotoko team, no, especially so Messi play Budashiru. Now, Sonny so issue is still pending. Who maybe Johnny, I don't know. Has a team too big and a very good team. Liberty team no day, so it's always going to be put to the tactics very well. I think Liberty, if they really want to beat Asante Kotoko, fear this is the right time. So Kotoko Liberty, I think I will go for draw. Then House of Folk Dreams FC. That is where I am opinion. Dreams, I was shocked someone lose by Dwarfs by 2 goals to 1. Well, Dwarfs air struggle after their first 5 matches. No,
the Dwarfs team I watch against House of Folk at Accra Sports, it's not a bad team.
But now you only lose on 5 matches. For Dreams to go there and lose by 2 goals, even almost consider 2 other I was really shocked. I think games against the officiating this season and questionable. It has been very, very good. I'll give them 70 to 80%. But also in the first season and in the first year, Kurt Ebedine as the FA president. Even though Abeka said on Yedima with Dreams PM, but trust me, referees will be intimidated officiating games against Dreams. It's a fact I'm telling you. You'll find it very difficult. And we know our side of the world when you want to affiliate yourself to a big man. And who did games here has to focus with free 2 goals, 2-1 against around your game Omuboya. In the Haas next game is going to be as good. Then they travel to Adriana and Haas games on and they should be very strategic. Dreams can pounce on that. They'll be very, very good in terms of say has to focus for long because our attention will be on the as good and the other games from Bebonia. They will knowing say if you are playing against Dreams, you are aware you can get the point over there, and that is where they can pounce back. Approaching on the I'm hoping say Eso I'm so I fit will be all right. Then that midfield throw of Frederick and Sabutri, Emmanuel Nati, very good player. Benjamin Afutu. Afutu is very good, but you need to add goals to the game number. Then has a full coach, he needs to capitalize on the strength of their striker, Kofi. You don't have a bulky striker and be playing the ball on the ground. The strength, the physical strength, the area abilities, how between Alenki play with the chest, that is what you need to use. Oje Asante Kotoko, centre backs. Oje even all the teams who centre backs are. Kofi should give you extra edge.
Right. Baba, Mami, even a new sword man, Sam said, Yaka. But after the 6th week, Become Chelsea and all 14 points on that top of the league. 14 points. Adriana, 13 points. Mediama, 13. Asante Kotoko, 12. As good and be a tip woman, say, your favorite to win this league, Omo, 10 points after the 6 games, Dreams, 10. Bechem, 10. Wow. Wafa, 9. Liberty, 9. Karela, 8. Sharks, 7. Great Olympics, 7. Hearts of Folk, 7. It is Sa and it is so Ghana Premier League in the Emo. Or say, I'm watching you live, Afra. Or say, I'm watching you live from my home. And say, Afra, thank you very much for watching. Also, and CK Obi, aka Pipeline.
Oh, Mr. Pipeline.
Pipeline.
Yes.
Or Kotoka
International. Yes.
Airport.
It's your name, my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ni Philip Ajiti.
Yeah.
Ni Philip Ajiti.
My fellow phobia.
Yeah, or level 400 pub or Kubekro Atadika around the Shaman area.
Okay.
So Chiano. Yeah, sorry, Sonia Kono.
Yeah.
Minimo pick there.
Go na uja kweku Iniesta.
Kweku Iniesta.
Yes, I would do me estate. Yes.
Let me check out.
So yeah, chiao say okay game. Okay the air course. Nti yeni nkomo.
Ko yedi nkomo. Accra House of Folk. Go say if ni Edward ni Odum. Obetimi win the admiration of House of Folk fans it is oda ochena. E wo dewu. Go unse okay the last G8 to say G6 be a boy. Okay say final and House versus Dreams Zito Eddie Dreams share House of Folk. Wo that cap boy. Go since then Dreams FC has been an albatross around the neck of House of Folk. Even last season no, not the NC special competition. League na ye truncate, you know. Cause the first leg, nobody House of Folk Accra Sports Stadium. Yeah. So what you say? So I think said this time around, our House of Folk finding themselves 12th on the league log after 6 matches, in spite of prophetic revelations and not a goal in favor of House of Folk in the genesis of the season. Now go as at week 5, as at week 6, Ukuta 7 points. The likes of Bechem United need Dreams Mukita 10-10. The likes of Ash Gold Ukrano that Ekuta 10 points, even though people are saying said they have been a pale shadow of their expectation. So go House of Folk must do something at the Ochina. Anything either than victory or probably a point at the go at the disaster because go ufi the no ozade no ko game say na be no kotoko from angle say was struggle behind closed door against dwarfs and when you House of Folk or belusu as ya be liberty behind closed door liberty no ono so aye no an away master what me pick 7 points out of a possible 9 away this season including Brekuma what me be shekotoko ne has in their respective home yet liberty akopeke a point to ho yenhwe a team like Wafa has a kobo draw or 2 pound guniti kotoko no kobo draw a man to nyom mfredo but liberty ko share 2-0 ho so we such a team no go Oba. I didn't say Liberty Kotoko ebe believe said no, then they must do everything to win against us. Ko has the American basis no. After this game over Ash Gold to Accra. Well, Uri Ash Gold house here ko share Adriana Odoma in a title contender. So the next 3 matches no Dreams the na cheap.
Okay, it has nyina ye and now they aba no. Or say happy birthday to my sweetheart Bevelyn Henrietta Alote of GIG. Bevelyn Henrietta Alote of GIG and after Sandra Owari we free and then the director Jackson Itiamwaho and Kodiamonti. Happy birthday to you Bevelyn Henrietta Alote of GIG one Sandra Owari tinese and what's eno yebesia esan say emre no aso nyame adoma next week yebesen sinkonyo biom yedi ko masabansen that's it. Thank you very much for passing. Kevin Entry. All right. Baba, that's it all passing through. Nyame adoma next week yebesen share bi ma hanmo and amre ma yakwan me dey sti okay, it's PRO we set designer our multi TV also and your birthday. Happy birthday.
PRO, happy birthday.
From all and the entire crew and echo Eddie amount. Nyame adoma next week yebesen share.